Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I'm a Saint Beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. And here on my channel, I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to makeup, beauty, skincare, nails, pretty much anything and everything under the sun that I feel will help you. I am a full-time working mama in the corporate world, and I do YouTube and partner with a couple other brands kind of on the side. So as I've said in my other videos, if you guys have followed me, I do really appreciate the comments. If I say something during a video or if I review a product and you agree or disagree, I encourage you to leave comments below. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you can be notified and follow along for more videos like this. So I haven't done a mascara review video in a long time, and I have recently started diving back into the world of mascaras because I have been using this fabulous lash serum. So my lashes are now to the point where I really like them by themselves. I don't feel like I need false lashes or DIY lashes or anything like that. I will link this down below. It is not a super affordable product, but it's a game changer. It is the only lash serum that I've ever used, and I've used a ton of them that have actually worked. I will leave a before look here of, like, you can see here, like you can actually see my lashes, and you can see here there's no lashes there. Like, they were very short, they were very sparse, and they weren't dark. So this lash serum has been great. It has not irritated my eyes. I have not noticed anything. It has not changed the color of my eye. It is fabulous. But today's video is going to be a review on the Benefit BadGal Bang Volumizing Mascara. So this retails for $29 at Ulta. I think this is the travel size of it. I don't think it's a full size. In full disclosure, I got this as a gift, not from the company. I actually got it from my son's girlfriend. She's super sweet. She knows that I love makeup, and so she was like, oh, this one looked interesting. So I did not personally pay for it. I did get it as a gift, but it was not sent to me by the company. It, like I said, retails for $29 at Ulta, so it's definitely not an affordable brand or affordable mascara. It says it's smudge-proof, waterproof, and it's supposed to create volume without weighing down lashes. So it's supposed to have like a customized or, whatever, a special brush that's supposed to help. Yeah, this is definitely the travel size. Cute little packaging. I'll be honest with you, like, to me, if a product works, I don't ultimately care about the packaging, but it is cute when the packaging is cute. I'm shaking for some reason. I've been drinking like a crap ton of caffeine. So I'm a little shaky. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the brush here. It's not as big volumizing as I'm used to. Like, if you think of Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, apparently I can't speak today either. But the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara has like a big, huge, gigantic brush. This to me is what I think of more when I'm thinking of a volumizing brush. This one kind of reminds me a little bit of a lengthening, kind of brush. And so I'm going to go ahead and do it on camera so you can see how it applies, kind of give you my first impression. And then I will wear it all day and let you know, is it truly smudge proof? I mean, what I'm looking for in a mascara is, it claims it gives big, bold lashes. I want big, bold lashes. I want big, I want long, I want bold, I want in your face, I want tarantulas on my face. I want to look like I'm wearing false lashes without actually wearing false lashes. So let's see if this does it. So first impressions, I'm not really in love with it. It does do a really pretty job on me. You can see here, it is big, bold. But the things that I don't like about it is the formula is really thick, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. As soon as I went in with it, I knew that I didn't need like a 10,000 different coats, but it does start clumping up relatively quickly. I felt like it did a really good job of separating my lashes, but you can see here, like at the end, it's starting to separate or clump up a little bit more. And just in here, you can see that it's starting to clump up. And it's honestly, I would say, I don't know, like, I feel like it does a good job separating, but as far as the boldness, it's not giving me what I like. Like it's clumping up before I can actually build it up to where I want it to be. So I'm not really liking that. And I'm sorry about let me sit over here because the sun is coming through this way, which is perfect lighting, but not the setup that I have. I'm gonna do the other side, but I will tell you just right off the bat, what I like, just super, super easy that I feel like does a really good job of volumizing big, bold lashes. That is, I think it's like $10.99. So this one's $29, obviously a bigger one, but this is $10.99. This gives you big, bold, thick looking lashes. It does take a little bit longer to build up, but what I like about it is it builds up without clumping. I can get the look that I want by going in and putting the layers on because the formula is a little bit more watery, but it doesn't clump up. I feel like this one, because it is a thicker formula, it started clumping up a lot sooner. It's not bad, but to me, it's $29. Like that's expensive for a lash. The other one that I like that's more in the price range of the Benefit one is the City Beauty Beyond Mascara. I've talked about this on my Instagram ad nauseum. This one is fabulous. I like this one, the Maybelline Falsies, because it gives me the look, but it is a lot cheaper. The City Beauty is $35, but the benefit to this is it builds up really, really quick. You get big, bold looking lashes. It does not clump up. It does not smear. It does not flake, but it's also infused with lash serum in it as well. Now, I can't really attest to what that does because I use the this lash serum here, but you're kind of getting the benefit. Like I'm sure it does a little bit of something. So instead of paying $29 for a mascara that kind of clumps up really quickly, and I don't know, just clumpy, spend a little bit more, $35 for an awesome mascara that does all the things and also has an added benefit of lash serum. So that's kind of my first impression.